Welcome to Pointwise Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. In this video, we demonstrate how to change the distribution function of the selected connectors directly from the grid toolbar. As you can see in this slide, we have added a new command to the grid toolbar that will allow you to change the distribution function of the selected connectors to either tanh or equal spacing. So, where are the other distribution functions, you may ask? Well, in this toolbar command, we added the most commonly used distribution functions and those that do not require any kind of user input. Let's go ahead and switch to Pointwise so we can see this in action. The usual way to change the distribution function of the selected connectors is to use the tools in the Grid Distribute panel. As you can see here, you have a complete list of all the available functions. Even though this is a valid way of getting what you're looking for, it simply takes more clicks. In order to accomplish what we want faster and with fewer clicks, you can use the distribution functions command located directly in the grid toolbar. I'm going to change everything to tanh, and now I can simply use the same tool to change everything to equal spacing. By the way, if you're interested in learning more about the different distribution functions available in Pointwise, please check out the video linked in the description below. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.